It's fall, that time of the year where the mornings are cold and the afternoons are still sort of warm, and you start thinking about this warm pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. But stop drinking pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. Here's why. See, there's a news article that came out recently that said a large pumpkin spice latte is going to cost around $5 or $6. And pumpkin spice foods are up to 160% up compared to the regular version. So curious to see what is in their ingredient list, I was shocked to see this in their website. Very transparent they were, seriously. So they had pumpkin puree, contains 2% or less of a fruit, and vegetable juice for color. Why? I thought. If you use a real pumpkin, you get the color. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a vegan pumpkin spice latte which has real pumpkin, no preservatives, real pumpkin spice syrup, and a bonus, less calories. Let's get started. For this version of pumpkin spice latte, I'm using almond milk. To this I add 2.5 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Now see that? See, we get the natural color by just adding pumpkin puree. Now add in 1/2 tablespoon of pumpkin spice powder. Add in a few drops of vanilla. After which we need to heat the milk because this is a warm pumpkin spice latte. After a while of stirring, let's add pumpkin spice syrup. Now if you don't have this pumpkin spice syrup readily, just substitute brown sugar or plain white sugar. I'm keeping the heat on low because you don't want to split the milk. It's now time to add 1/2 cup of brewed coffee. Keep stirring and allow it to get a light simmer. Once that's achieved, it's time to serve the drink. Now to get the frothy look, I'm using a milk frother which gives it the cafe style look. Now I got this from IKEA, but you can also get this from Amazon. Serve it in your favorite cup and froth it one more time before serving. Now for the less calories, skip the whipped cream part. Now that way you can still enjoy the pumpkin spice latte without the additional 150 calories and eat a pumpkin spice cone as a breakfast. You can check the video on how to make pumpkin spice cones, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.